Now let's try create drip campaigns, which are automated campaigns. For example, when you go to an e-commerce website, at times you just browse the product and sometimes you add into the cart. So these are various steps. So I can send you an email when you add a product to your cart that maybe if you want to buy, which is an abandoned cart. Similarly, it's a drip campaign that if you open one mail, then I should send the second one, the third one, and so on. So go to create email. Now here you have to choose this automated. We can also use some of them. For example, welcome new subscribers. Now, if you go to this onboarding series, if you have a paid plan, you can see drip by drip campaigns, which would be pre-made and you just have to edit. Or here you can go to single. Let's do one welcome email. So we're selecting the audience identification. Begin. Now, similarly, you'll have to create the content of the mailer. So now it says to, from, you can edit and check. Thanks for joining us. You can edit the subject. Thanks for joining us. We like it here. And if you want to change, thanks for subscribing, whatever you want to change, you can change. And let's edit this. So it is a by default template. We can check. And maybe if you want to create another, then definitely you can go and create. Let's check. So it's like, hi, first name, and we are glad you're here. We'll keep you in the loop with the latest news and special offers if you want to edit. So maybe our special offers or maybe and or special courses maybe. We'll keep you in the loop with the latest news, updates, answers. Special courses, save and close. Now you can also change the links. Here you see the Twitter, Facebook. Let's say I don't want Twitter. I want just website. What am I doing is I'm adding the link. Here you go. Save and close. You can add Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want to add. You can drag and drop and build entirely. And if you go here, we already checked. And we do save and continue. You can add some image, whatever you want, you can add it out here. Again, you can send a test email. Now, when you go to this edit and delay, so it's saying new subscriber contacts added. So we are just doing immediately that it should trigger when somebody is actually subscribing. And if you want 1 hour later or 6 hours, 1 day, you can even choose that. So new subscriber immediately who joined the list. Send a test mail. Let's check the mail. Here we have received it. Thanks for joining us. We'll like it here. You see here. So if you see there's an error because it's a test mail. Otherwise, whenever somebody would subscribe with their name, it would be the name. And if I want to remove this automation, we can remove it because since on website we have just added the email addresses. So go here and you can remove this F name which is first name. And it could be just a simple message, hey, we are glad you're here, and we'll keep you in loop. Had we been putting in form that we are also taking your name and last name, then we could have added the first name, but since we are just taking email addresses, so let's change it for our good. So I'm just writing hi. That's it. Save and close, and save and continue. So new subscriber who would join this list would be added, would be sent this welcome emailer. And what you can do is, and maybe if you want, you can finish it later. And if you want to change, you can change. And let's try and test one more email so that we are sure of it. We'll just delete it so we don't have any confusion. Thanks for joining us. Here you go. Hi, we're glad you're here. We'll keep you in the loop with the latest news, updates, and special courses. Okay, and that's how you go. Okay. So this is an automation email, and I'm going to start sending. You're about to start an automation that will be sent to Digification. So if you want, you can start now. That's how you create an automation email. Now, when you want to create another automation email, you can again edit and choose that what happens next. Once somebody does this action, you send another email. You can choose another automation and follow the same steps.